Hey Reddit enthusiasts! In today's video, I'm going to walk you through one of the key features of the Reddit experience, chatting. So let's dive right in. First, open your Reddit app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home page, look at the bottom of the screen for the chat icon and tap on it. Now that you're on the chat page, tap on that to start a new conversation. On this page, you can search for the person you want to send a private message to or start a conversation with. Just type their username and you're all set to begin chatting. But that's not all. If you want to chat with a group or participate in community discussions, head back to the previous page. Look for the Explore Channels option or tap on View All. This will show you a list of popular channels where you can join the conversation and comment on posts. Once you've found a channel that fits your interests, just tap to join and start chatting with other Redditors who share your passions. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more Reddit tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll never miss a video.